Alright, here we are in the backyard. Got about 2 inches of snow on the ground. Garage is starting to defrost. Snow is melting. Second day of March. Getting ready to take the boat up to Lakeside Marine. Get the reverse gear worked on it. Replaced, whatever the heck they got to do to it. This is my junky garage. I haven't started my organization and tool management yet in here, but this is what we got. So getting ready to take the boat over. Got to take some stuff out of the boat, bring the truck back here, back it up, hook the boat up and take it on. So once again, we're getting ready to head to Lakeside Marine and get the reverse gear taken care of. Talk to you later.